How to invite friends by email on your Instagram Lite. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. So, if you want to invite your friends through email on your Instagram Lite account, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. Then it will take you to this sort of page where you can see all your profile's information. Now from here, go to the top right corner of your screen where you can see three bars. Then open settings. After you've successfully opened settings, what you're gonna do is go to the option which says follow and invite friends, which is on the second over here. Now you'll see four options over here. They are follow contacts, invite friends by email, invite friends by SMS, and invite friends by sharing this. So in order to invite them by email, just go to the option which says invite friends by email and then write their email over here. After you do that and send it to them, they can successfully get it and then join your Instagram account. You can also send them it to by or you can also send it to them by the SMS or also share it to other apps from over here. So this is how you can invite friends by email on your Instagram Lite account. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was very helpful and informational and see you in the next video.